What's good, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. I have to say, this is my first time vlogging this year, 2024, and it's already mid-January, but me and Martin are here in Arizona, Lake Havasu City. Sara Park is where we're at, off-road trails, so it's here, and also possibly check out the lake, if we can. I have my Scott Spark 27.5 wheels, Luna Cycle BBSHD on today. Martin is actually going to be borrowing Crystal's bike today. Crystal's here with us, but she's not feeling well, so she's over there resting somewhere. None of us have been here, so I gave Martin the assignment of leading. There's supposed to be good trailheads here, somewhere here. We really don't know where. We have like 2.5 hours to kill, so why not? We were here last night for the balloon festival. They do that only once a year by the London Bridge area. Really a nice sight to see. It seems like mostly a retired community here. It's a very chill, leisure environment. Empty roads so far. Not too busy on this Saturday afternoon. Alright, so if I had a redo, I would park here. It's so much closer to the trailhead. So park at the Sara Park trailhead. Next time I'll park here. We had to bike like a mile to get here. You, sir, you're the leader.
Double black trail.
Boo Boo. It's called the Boo Boo Trail, the double black.
Oh, look, there's a cave right there.
That's not a cave, man. That's barely a hole. I think here is, maybe like a 6-mile radius. So far, so good. Oh my gosh. Alright. That was a rough drop. Good thing I had both my hands there. This is the one towards the lake? Okay. Hey, buddy. Hey. Nice girl. Hello. Were you towards the lake? Towards the water? Were you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, you take this shuttle, join up with Yellow Trail, and then...
Whew. I'm always scared when it's a pit bull. Inside, I'm scared. I mean, I love dogs, but pit bulls are pit bulls. It says red and yellow connector trail. Oh, this is sweet. Nice and flowy so far. Thank God for electric bikes. Alright. Don't take the red and yellow connector trail. It's more for hikers. We've never been here, so we're really just exploring. Ooh, so nice. Some nice palette colors, like salmon looking pink. Oh yeah, that way was too rocky. And some slippery, loose areas sometimes. Not too bad. Alright, we're on the yellow trail, and we just saw the purple trail. lizard purple trail on our right. So that means the blue trail is close up somewhere here. Here we go. Alright, that was like first technical section. It's always hard when it's going uphill. For the most part, it's flowy. A lot of elevator pitches, some up and downs. Yeah, this part tight. Oh my gosh. Yep. Alright, blue trail's a little techy too. Tight, rocky turns. Yeah, there's some section where you just can't bike. Is there a trail that way? Yeah. This is what I meant, like, you're sure? So this is probably the hardest part of the blue trail. There's no way we can climb this. So we're just gonna walk it. Holy moly. Alright, so Martin said after this, it's easy. Whew. Oh, jeez. So rocky. Some techie, but at least techie downhill. Once you see the water. Oh, exposure is on the left, but it's not like a cliff. It's not a somewhat gradual. It's at least somewhat gradual. Alright, those hikers said it's about 1 more mile. And it's all flowy easy to the water now. So they say. Whew. Such a ton of open space here. Very nice. Well, I'm gonna use this as a jump. Oh yeah. Hello. Thank you. Alright, here we go. Towards the water. Put on my gloves. Martin convinced me. Better be safe than sorry. Nice trails here. This reminds me of like the Vasquez Rocks formations. Some jagged edges. The views are getting nicer. We got some greens on my 12 o'clock. It's like, why is it green? Is that the moss?
Yeah, the water.
Nice and slow here. Very loose. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is actually very loose. I see where Martin walked it. Alright, we're exploring the wash on Yellow Trail. We're looking for, like, I guess the caves and stuff and what have you. Very wishy-washy here. Kind of fun. Sandy. Loose trail. Super fun. If I can pass it. Just try to bike in the rock areas. It gives you more grip. This is a nice experience, to be honest. Heck yeah, something you haven't really done. Oh, this is the kind of things Martin wants to do. Bike in caves, so this is the closest we could do so far. Until we're stopped. That was fun. I mean, we're in like slot canyons. Is this where it stops?
Yeah. No, keep going.
Alright. No, I'm not lifting my bike up here. I'm not lifting my bike up here. Is it further? Like a lot further? Let's see what kind of trails we hit here. Oh man, this is gonna be troublesome on the way back. Trail's very narrow, very techy. Just to get to this little shack here. Just to get near the water. Alright. Alright. Yeah, we could bike on water. Here we go. Touch the wheel, and we're in water. It's nice and clear, actually. Huh? Pretty clear. Alright, we stayed here for like 10 minutes to skip rocks and whatnot. Now we're heading back. Martin had to use the restroom. It's kind of nice going back, not having to dismount so much all the time. Finally could cool off a little bit. I was sweating when I was just walking the bike. It's actually more tiring walking the bike. Somewhat challenging getting to the water, but there's really some nice spots for sure. I mean, can't ask for more. We got to bike in a slot canyon, even though if it was just a short ride. It's still nice to experience for sure. I've always wanted to do that, riding in a slot canyon. And Martin's dream is always to ride in a cave, so we're still kind of looking for something like that. That's easy. Yeah, you just jump and drop right there. There's a line. It's always something. We're here at the Red Rocks. Oof. Red Rocks area. That's pretty much the yellow connector. We're just biking it till we can't anymore. Oh my God, it's a drop. Big drop. That's easy. Ooh, there's a jump. You want to hike it? Alrighty, folks. We spent about 3 hours here already. We're at the yellow trail, heading back to the parking lot. Should be easy peasy, smooth riding back here. But over there, we had to dismount like maybe 4 to 5 times on the blue trail because it got too technical. Probably, if you did this ride, you'll do more dismounting because you'll be exploring. But But that's going to be in today's e-bike adventure. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the links in the description below for discounts on the Super73 and arielrider. Wow. Here we go. I got dismounted off my bike again. Or DIY bafang kit. That's going to be in today's Arizona e-bike adventure. Heading back to LA today. That's going to be a wrap, folks. Oof. All right. We out of here. Peace.